You stay with Raja.
I think so. I think we'll all go. One more. और वो you got those extra yes yesterday in Delhi thank you Ajay sir It's over. It's over. The nightmare is over and we are walking. बोला था ना?
In terms of time, money and effort, figures, I would like to know how much time did your film make? In terms of time, how much time in planning and shooting, effort, the kind of effort and the money involved?
See, in terms of actual time, if you're talking up, it took me 2.5 years to put the script together, which is the major time. In terms of shooting, I spent just a year. I shot for 2 months non-stop in Dalhousie, and a year later, actually around 10 months later, shot in Bombay for 2 months at a stretch, and that was the end of the film. But the planning took 2.5 years, and if you put the whole 2.5 plus a year and a half of shooting and post-shooting, it's 4 years of my life, 4.5 years of my life into this film.
A lot of publicity has gone into this film. Would you say that your panga with FMC was one of those helped you in publicity in some way?
Well, it's like, you're about to die, you're in a hospital, and it's like telling Amitabh Bachchan, oh, did you pull that stunt on the sets of Coolie? Because you became popular later. It isn't so. He could have died. I could have died. It was pretty bad.
Getting back to FMC, do you think it's losing out on its credibility the way after your...
Today is a happy day in my life. I don't want to talk about FMC. I mean, that's the last thing I want to talk about today, really.
All right.
I wouldn't like to. I've forgotten. FMC? How do they spell it? I don't want to talk about them today.
All right. Now you had, instead of Madhuri, you had Manisha in the film. How happy are you with all your stars?
See the film. See the film. Now that you're going to see it, see it. The answer is in the film.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.